Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden apps on your iPhone. Now, the first place to look is to open up the Settings app. But before that, I'm going to hide this YouTube app to show you an example. So I'm going to press and hold on it. And if I hit Require Face ID, you'll be able to see I can choose Hide and require that Face ID. And if I enter in my Face ID here real quick and hit Hide App, you'll be able to see it is now missing. The first place we can check is in the Settings app of your iPhone. Open up that Settings app and we're going to scroll down and choose where it says General midway down. And then there you can see is iPhone storage. Tap on that. This shows you every app that is on your iPhone and has a listing for all of the hidden apps. So if you scroll to the bottom, there you can see is hidden apps. Again, I need to use my Face ID, but there is YouTube. Now on here, unfortunately, I can't choose to unhide it within here. I can just find which apps are hidden. To be able to unhide it, I need to swipe to the left until I get to the app library. Now within the app library, if I scroll down, you can see there's a hidden folder. If I tap on it and use my Face ID, it will reveal which apps are in that hidden folder. And then I can just press and hold on it and then hit Don't Require Face ID. Essentially, by using my Face ID, I will unhide it, but this doesn't automatically add it back to your home screen, which you might want to do. So what you'll need to do is scroll up in the search. Let's search for the YouTube app. And then I will press and hold on the YouTube app and hit Add to Home Screen. And now I have it back normally. I can just tap on it to open it as I would normally have done. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll catch you on the next one.